Hello, my dear students. In this video, I'm going to tell you some questions based on shares and dividends for class 10. I have taken the reference Understanding ICSE Mathematics class 10. Just you see the question of this. If you have the book, then see the question. Otherwise, I'm going to read this question. Question number 17. In the first and second part of the video, this is the third part of the video, I had explained everything about the share and dividends and with some questions. There is a question number 17, and in this question it is written, you listen carefully. A company with 4,000 shares of nominal value of rupees 110 declares annual dividend of 15%. Calculate. First part, the total amount of dividend paid by the company. Second part, the annual income of Shahrukh, that is the name who has purchases the shares, who holds 88 shares in the company. And third part, if he received only 10% on his investment, find the price paid for each share. So these are the parts with the question. First thing, that first you read the question, listen carefully and see the quantity given. In this, the number of shares given 4,000, nominal value given rupees 110, and rate of dividend is given 15%. First part, calculate the annual dividend. You know the formula AD is equal to number of shares into RD into NV, and just put the values. Number of share 4,000, RD means 15 upon 100 into 110, and calculate, you will get the rupees 66,000 is the annual dividend. First part. Second part, asking if the Shahrukh, one person, hold 88 shares in of the company, then what is his annual dividend? उसका annual income क्या होगा अगर उसके पास 88 शेयर हो? फर्स्ट पार्ट में 4,000 शेयर्स थे, सेकेंड पार्ट में 88 शेयर, तो जस्ट चेंज द नंबर ऑफ शेयर एज 88 एंड रिमेन दीज थिंग्स आर द रिमेन. तो यू विल गेट द एनुअल डिविडेंड रुपीज 1452 फॉर द सेकेंड पार्ट. In the third part, asking if the profit on his investment, if he received 10% on his investment, this is the profit, what price he paid for the shares. उसने कितना प्राइस पे किया था यदि उसके सिर्फ 10% रिटर्न मिला. इट मीन्स रेट ऑफ रिटर्न इज 10%. आस्किंग द मार्केट वैल्यू. I told you in the first video, that is about the formula. There are only three formulas. The first one, number of share is equal to investment upon market value. The second one is this, and third one is this, RD into NV upon NV into 100%. So in place of RD, put here NV 110, MV, you asking the MV into this 100% side. In place of R rate of return, you put the 10%. तो ये जब कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो for MV you will get rupees 165. So 165 is the price for each share. Means the Shahrukh paid rupees 165 for each share. This is the third part. Now the next question I'm going to tell you. Question number 23. If you see the question number 23, just I'm going to write here investment given the question, a man invests rupees 10,080 in 6% 100 rupees shares at 112. मतलब ये कि एक पर्सन ने 10,080 रुपीज इन्वेस्ट किया किस शेयर में? 6% जिसका आरडी है, रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड है, नॉमिनल वैल्यू ₹100 है, मार्केट वैल्यू ₹112 है. Then what is his annual income? Means annual dividend. For the annual dividend, as you know, you have to find the number of shares first. So what is the formula for the number of shares? You can calculate separately or directly, because the annual income is equal to number of shares into RD into NV. If you know the formula of number of shares, that is investment upon market value, you can put directly here and then put the values, because all values are given. And RD into NV. Can you put the values? Yes. So investment कितना है? In this case, the investment is equal to 10,080 and MV is 112. RD is 6% and this is 100. When you simplify, what you will get? This is the 112 into 9 means 90. 90 into 6, 540. So ₹540 is the value. Means the annual income for this type of share. 90 shares में 6% के हिसाब से उसको कितना मिला? You will get 540. Now, the second part of the question is this: when the shares fall to ₹96, he sells out the shares and invests the proceed in 10% 10 rupees shares at ₹8. Means when the shares falls to ₹96, मतलब पहले कितने में था? 112 में था. अब इस शेयर की सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या कास्ट हो गई? In this, the shares fall to ₹96. Means the market value is ₹96 इस केस में. Then he sells these shares. कितने shares बेचेगा? 90 shares, क्योंकि number of shares कितने हैं? These are them. Number of shares 90 है, and he sells these shares. तो 90 into then how much money he will get? भाई एक शेयर की कीमत 96 में उसने बेचा, तो 90 शेयर को कितने मिलेगा? तो he sells 90 shares at ₹96 each. So what you will get? The amount will be 90 into 96. 8640 he will get this amount. This is called sale proceed. Why? Because now he is investing this much amount in the second type of shares. और उसका क्या दिया गया है कि he invests the proceeds in 10% 10 rupees. मतलब जो आरडी सेकेंड केस की है, सेकेंड केस की आरडी है वो 10%, नॉमिनल वैल्यू इज ₹10 and the market value is ₹8. This is the given, and this much amount he is investing in this company जिसका ये RD NV दिया गया. So what you have to do, first you find the number of shares in the second case. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट 8640 अपॉन 8 मार्केट वैल्यू, तो 8 1 से 8 8 8 से 0 1080 number of share he will get. So what will be the annual income in this case? So number of share into RD into nominal value. So what it will be cancelled, you will get 1080 rupees. This is the annual income in the second case when he investing this amount in the second company. Asking the change in his annual income. तो पहला annual income कितना था? ₹540 and second annual income is 1080. So what is the change? You take the minus, means change in income is equal to AI2 minus AI1. मतलब the second annual income minus first annual income. So 1080 minus 540, it will be 540 rupees. This is the change in his annual income. So by this way you can get the values after applying the formula. The next question of this same exercise. Question number 27. Rupees 100 shares. Nominal value is rupees 100 of a company are sold at a discount of rupees 20. The discount is given rupees 20. So if the discount is rupees 20 means the market value you can get. So market value is equal to NV minus discount. So it will be 100 minus 20 means rupees 80 is the market value. Find the market value, so that if the return on the investment is 15%, return on the investment, rate of return is given 15%, find the rate of dividend. It is asking, rate of dividend. फिर से क्वेश्चन हम पढ़े देने, that is 27. Rupees 100 shares of a company are sold at a discount of rupees 20. If the return on the investment is 15%, find the rate of dividend declared. So this is the question. So nominal value is given, discount is rupees 20, find the market value using this formula I told in the first video. 100 minus 20 rupees 80. Rate of return is 15%, asking the rate of dividend. Can you guess the formula? Which formula you can apply? Yes, third one. So RD into NV upon MV into 100. क्योंकि everything is given. RR 15% is again 15% again. RD asking, so let the RD be X%. So X upon 100. जब भी RD पूछा जाए, in that case you have to let the RD be X%. So X upon 100 in any question. NV is rupees 100. Market value is rupees 80 into 100. This one percent. So what you will get? 15. A percent to percent, both sides you can cancel it. This 100, this 100, X into 100 upon 80. Can you get the value of X? X is equal to 120 by 10. 120 by 15. So X is equal to 8. This is in percent. 8%. So this is the rate of dividend. So simple calculation, simple formula, only use the formula which you have in the first part of video. I told only the 3 formulae, and there is no other formula. If you want to change, means if you get anywhere the other formula, it means you are doing wrong. कोई और formula है ही नहीं. So only the 3 formulae which I told already. So you can do the exercise of this chapter, share and dividends. So keep on watching, follow the channel, study bright. You will get the latest study material and also some information about your study. Thank you.